Hey, it's Will from TDG here, and I come today with a new Power App I've been working on. This actually combines both Power App's Flow and Cognitive Services, and it's actually out of a piece of work I was asked to do around creating a mental health app that detects the true emotional state of the user. So in this case, I've started with a nice landing page. So let's just quickly jump into it. So I've used a functionality that's quite common to us for phones, for like from iPhones to Android, which is the slide function. So unless you slide it right to the end, you can't unlock your phone. In this case, you can't unlock the app. So we go along, and then now we've got this beautiful live stream of me. Sorry, I haven't got any of my makeup on today. Now, what this allows me to do is capture an image. So I select this capture button. So and this actually has the Face API. So I need to pull some emotion here. So I'm going to try and be happy. Bloody hard for me to achieve. So and then from here it captures the image, and I can select next. And what that does now is fire it off to Flow. Flow then creates pulls it in from Power Apps, creates a file, changes the image into a readable string. It then pushes it through to a HTTP connection, which pushes out to the Face API along with the response. And I have a particular JSON schema there that tells it all the stuff that I want responded back to Power Apps. So that would have been done by now. But before we get to that point, I would like to do a bit of text analytics as well. So I'm going to open my diary, and here I can create a diary entry. So I'm going to select plus. And I'm going to do a positive one. So having a great time showcasing my mental health app. I hope everyone likes it. I had great fun making it. And now what this will do is this will send it across to text analytics. I'm going to add to my diary. And I've populated a number sequence there as well. So we check this out. We can see actually the closer to 1 it gets, that means it's more of a positive sentiment. We're at 0.98. Now from here, I can move forward and actually check my results. So I can see that actually my true emotional state score is a big smiley face. So your overall emotional state aligns and it is stable. So what that's saying by aligning is it aligns with the picture that I took. So I was displaying a positive emotional state in the picture, which means it looks at the it looks at my sentiment of the text, and it sees actually these align with about a 0.021 difference, so not that high. Now I can drill into these details a bit if I like. And you see, actually, that picture was providing that I was just particularly happy. My diary sentiment was particularly happy. There you go. My true emotional state factor is indeed happy. I didn't display any anger, contempt, disgust, neutral, sadness, or surprise. Now, let me take a deeper dive into this and show you the power of that flow. So I go and view my collections, and I go to one of these. Sorry, give me a second. Test. I can actually jump in. So it says I'm at age 34. I'm actually nearly 30. So hey, I look a bit haggard today. I won't take it as an insult. Although I did do this on some friends, and well, telling them they look 5 years older than they're meant to isn't gonna keep them, my friends. So we have the fact that I'm male. We can start looking at hair. I'm apparently 0.01% bald. You can look at my hair color: brown, black, grey, other. I mean, I can expose all of these values onto the board if I want. It's just at the moment I haven't found a way to put that into mental health. Maybe I could track baldness, and then that can then respond to stress. Who knows? Here we can look at emotion. Luckily, I'm only happy. And just to prove to you that works, if we actually change this and I do a aggressive photo captured, I click next. And what we can do is go and actually see how that's been analyzed in just a second. So if we actually click through and I go to here, we can see that actually something's upset, and I've got anger, disgust, a little bit of happiness, weirdly. So apparently when I'm angry, I'm happy. And then there's probably a problem there that I need to look into, and then a little bit of sadness as well. So I hope you've enjoyed viewing this. I am going to make this available, including the flows. If you have any questions, please do reach out. And thank you so much for listening.